Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on our video today. I'm so happy and so excited to have you guys here. So if you're watching today's video, kindly consider liking, sharing and subscribing, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that anytime we upload a new video, you, my friend, are going to be notified. Also, do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about our outfits here today. In today's video, we're going to share with you the do's and don'ts of packing for a family trip. So I think for this video, we are going to start off with the do's and packing for a family trip, but you do not know where to start. We're going to help you come up with do's and don'ts that are going to relieve you of the packing stress that usually accumulates right before a big trip. First and foremost, we're going to start off with do's. The first do that I would share with you is begin with a packing list. Creating a packing list is going to make the chances of forgetting something that you need much less likely. So start this list a week prior to your trip because this will allow you time to remember things that you have forgotten. I also suggest having a packing list electronically as this makes it easy to change and update the list as necessary for each trip. Also, printing out hard copies of the list can also be very helpful as you can check off each item packed as you go. You can also pass out a list to each child so that they do not forget anything. So the second do is pack your clothes by day and not by person. So you can do this by putting the clothes into a plastic bag or packing cube for each day of the trip, and this allows you for easier navigation as you do not need to search through multiple suitcases to locate everyone's clothes. This will also give you a place to put dirty clothes at the end of the day.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
So the third is bring a first aid kit, including medication. And when you're traveling with your children, you never know what could happen, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So having bandages and medications can be extremely helpful. So you can buy a basic first aid kit and then add things in particular to your family. Be sure to have the right medication to accommodate to all ages of your family.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
The tip is have everyone carry their own backpack. If kids carry their own backpack, this is going to help limit the number of items that they're going to pack. If the kids are young, you can distribute their belongings between one of your bags and theirs.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
oh. So lastly, when it comes to the do's, is have snacks on hand. You can pack snacks that are easy to carry around, including the granola bars, some carrots, dried fruits or nuts. Also hide a few treats that can be used in times of need, such as candy and cookies.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of me.
So my loves, thank you so much for watching our today's video. I hope that you're inspired and informed. Kindly do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope that I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye for today.
Wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.